Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Kids Toys with you guys today. So in today's video guys, I have this 5 different awesome cars guys. It's from Hot Wheels. It's a Dragon Blast. So this package includes 5 different cars guys. Let's see the back. It says Dragon Blast 5 pack, the perfect pack for epic track action. Wherever you're defeating dangerous dragon or experimenting with crazy stunts, these cars will hit up the action on any track. Dragon Blast. Alright, so let's open it and see how our awesome cars look. Alright guys, so here we have our awesome different cars guys. Alright, let's take them out. Alright, so here we have 5 different colorful cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they have different colors. This is a yellow car and it have number 24 on it, and this is a blue car and it has a 88 number on it. Let's see our third car. It's in a white color and it has a number 90 on it. Let's see our fourth car. It's in a shiny purple color. It looks so cool. And this car has a number 43 on it. And our last car, it's in a beautifully in red color guys, and it says number 5. Alright, let's count it one more time guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 different cars and they are in a different colors guys. So we know the colors and now we are gonna know how this car's called. Alright, so our first yellow car is called Prototype H24. Alright, it looks beautiful guys. And our second blue car is called Formula 8R. Alright, here we go. And our third white color is Maximum Leeway. That's the car's name guys. It's in a white color. Maximum Leeway. Alright, let's get into our next car, which is in a purple color and it has a number 43 on it. And this car's name is Impevido 1 TM. And our last beautiful red colored car's name is Hypertruck. Now we are gonna put the cars in order guys. So this is our first car guys. prototype H24 in yellow color. 1. And our second color, which is in a blue color, is Formal 8R. Second car. And our third car is in a white color, and the car's name is Maximum Leeway. And our fourth car is in a purple color, and car's name is Impevido 1TM. And our last car, which is in a red color, the car's name is a Hypertruck. Alright, here we put them in order, guys. Now we are gonna count it one more time, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yellow, blue, white, purple, and red. Alright guys, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my videos, and stay tuned for a lot more fun videos, guys. Thank you.